Have you ever opened a website that wasn't in your language and immediately closed it because you couldn't understand anything? Well, you don't have to struggle anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to translate any website instantly, no matter the language, no matter the device, and completely for free. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the easiest method, Google Chrome's built-in translator. Whenever you visit a page that's not in your default language, Chrome automatically shows a small pop-up asking if you want to translate it. All you need to do is click Translate, and the entire page updates instantly: text, menus, and even small captions. But what if the pop-up doesn't appear? No problem. Just right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to English, or whatever language you prefer. Chrome will immediately convert the entire site without refreshing the page. Now, here's a trick most people don't know. You can translate any specific sentence or paragraph by simply highlighting it, right-clicking, and selecting Translate Selection. This is perfect for pages where you only need certain parts, not the whole website. Next, let's talk about mobile translation, because a lot of us browse using our phones. On Android, open Chrome, tap the three dots, scroll down, and choose Translate. A bar appears at the bottom, and you can instantly switch between languages. On iPhone, the process is just as simple. Tap the share icon, scroll until you see Translate Page, and choose your preferred language. Safari will automatically apply Apple's built-in translation engine. But what if you're using a browser that doesn't have translation features? You can still translate the full page using Google Translate Web. Just go to translate.google.com, paste the website link, and click Translate. Google loads the entire site inside a translated viewer. Super convenient and works on almost any device. Before we end, here's a pro tip. If you frequently translate websites from the same language, you can set Chrome to always translate that language automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to translate any website instantly, whether on desktop or mobile. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.